Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use the available chart templates to quickly apply a pre-created chart type to your chart data, or you can save a chart type that you have customized as your own custom chart template to reuse it in the future without having to reset and reapply all of the custom formatting that you have set. This can save a lot of time in formatting future charts that you may need to create. To save a custom chart template, select the chart which you have formatted and now want to save as a new chart template. Then choose Chart from the menu bar, and then choose the Save as Template command. You can also simply right-click on the chart that you want to serve as the basis for your new chart template, and then choose the Save as Template command from the pop-up menu that appears. Either way, in the Save As dialog box, which then appears on screen, type a name for the template into the File Name text box at the bottom of the dialog box, and then click the Save button to save the template into the pre-designated folder with the name which you gave it. Do not change the folder into which Crystal Reports wants to save the template, as Crystal Reports will need to look into that same folder in order to access the template in the future. To apply a chart template that you have saved in the future, first select the chart to which you would like to apply a custom template. Then choose Chart from the menu bar, and then choose the Load Template command. Click the User-Defined choice at the bottom of the categories list within the Choose a Chart Type dialog box. Then select the saved chart template that you want to apply to your currently selected chart from the listing that appears at the right side of the tab. Also note that there are also several sets of preset custom chart types from which you can choose within the Custom tab on the Choose a Chart Type dialog box. Once you've made your desired template choice, just click the OK button to apply the selected chart type.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.